Hello everyone. Today we would like to show you a very interesting invention, which is how to make honey lemon tea. And everybody, do you know every tea are all tasty, but the very popular tea is honey lemon tea, and it not just tasty, and it also be drink. It can give us healthy.
So all the ingredients you need to make it are
A cup of water, hot water,
honey lemon, some sugar, and some high quality of tea. So now let's make it together.
Yes. First, we put the tea into the hot water.
And keep it until all the tea is dissolved into color.
And then we put the tea into a coffee cup. Then we put some honey lemons. And if you like to sweet, you can put some sugars. And then you can stir it well. It's almost done, so you can drink.
I'm gonna go ahead. Well, it tastes really sweet. I like this one.
And you can try this at home. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you how to make a toy can.
First, we need a can, bottle water, a cap, a tape, a pair of scissors, some stick, and cardboard.
Fold the paper like this, and then we fold it like this, the same, and then we cut it like this. And this is how we make a cardboard. And then we make a hole in this cardboard like this. This one is the big hole, and this one is just small hole to put the stick in. And then we put a bottle inside. We put two sticks like this, and then we tape. We tape all day. We put the wheel, and then we put the stick insert the hole. That's enough.
And now I want to show you how to make a wheel. Wheel, we put it face to face and wrap it with tape. And then we make a hole to put the sticks in. And now we get the wheel. And if you want to design, if you wanted to design, you can add any color. And you can make it at home for your kids because it's don't spend money too much. And it is good for your kid too. So, thank you.